I found this subwoofer on the side of the road. Now, if you don't know, these kind of subwoofers are a part of a scheme commonly known as the white van scam. They don't really have a specific brand name. The products are just normally cheap AV equipment that's sold as something really expensive, usually out the back of a white van or car. This one has the name of Fleetwood, which kind of sounds familiar, which could trick some people into actually thinking it's good quality. On the back there are multiple controls, all of which actually work somehow. Normally these products are really cheaply built and sometimes don't even meet safety standards. There's a heatsink on the back to dissipate heat, a crossover labeled turnover, a volume knob, high and low level inputs, an auto power switch, as well as phase selection. The grill on this subwoofer is removable, which is quite unusual for cheap speakers. But here you can see the actual driver, and it doesn't look too bad. The gasket around the edge hasn't fallen off, which is apparently a problem for this type of subwoofer. The rubber grommets used to hold in the grill just look cheaply squashed in place. Time for a quick sound check. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a lot of port noise. Yeah, it sounds like crap, and it's not very loud. I also had a bit of fun connecting it to a keyboard. Time to take a look inside. Always remember to be cautious when opening electronic equipment. Capacitors can hold charge even after the equipment has been unplugged for a very long time. See, this one I can't even turn because it is completely destroyed. So I'm going to need some pliers. And surprisingly, it's pretty tiny inside. The amplifier even uses a more efficient toroidal transformer, although it could just be to save costs on copper. At a closer look, the boards do look quite cheap, and there's some strange scratching on the back plate. That must be the main amplifier chip, and this is a subwoofer driver. The magnet's a little bit small, but to be honest, I was really expecting less. And it does have a vented pole piece. There was also a cigarette paper inside. Time to free air the driver. Alright, let's get this thing back together. If you're wondering, this is what the port looks like. Anyway, this was just a quick video about this subwoofer. I'll see you in my next video.